Hello, dear friends. Wonder Tips channel welcomes you all. I hope you are enjoying every moment of your life. You can do anything you want, but it depends what attitude you are having. If you are thinking that you can do anything, means you are in the best mental state. But if you are feeling everywhere that you are not able to do anything, then we have to learn from these waves. They strike the shores, again fall down, again come and just enjoy their position. Similarly, in life, one can have setback. Who is there who is not having any problem in the life? But it depends how you take the things in your stride. Life is miraculous. Life is so important for everyone, and Almighty has sent us to do something special in this life. But on the contrary, people are not thinking in that way. Not all, some. They think that life is very miserable. And I tell you, my dear friends, life is not miserable. You have made it so bad. So come out of your shell and enjoy the fun of life. I will be giving here some small tips which can take us to the heights of the world. Sky is the limit. You just wake up early in the morning, maybe 5 o'clock, become 5 a.m. club member. And if you need more help, then go for a book from Robin Sharma, 5 a.m. club. Then give gratitude to Almighty, who is superpower in the world. As sometimes we think that we are master, but He is the superpower. When you give gratitude, then definitely you get lot of things from Almighty. You need not to ask. Then, my dear friends, drink lukewarm hot water by around 1 liter, slowly and slowly in sitting posture. Go for the freshness. Then start your day with yoga, exercises, morning walk, jogging, running, indoor game, outdoor game, whatever you like. Spend at least 1 hour. After that, you plan your day. During yoga, you can have the prayers, meditation side by side. Love to the mankind with full energetic way. Don't think that you will get something out of that. Selfish love we have to do. We have to think that if you can give someone smile, your life is a success. Because people have become so selfish, even they don't spare their family members and relatives. When you are having your thinking very clear, you are going to win the matches of life. Your life is a diamond, I tell you, my dear friends. There is no value to it. Then I don't know why people are doing worry. Worry cannot make any improvement. Yes, consciousness can do. Because when you worry too much, it creates impatient nature in you, and that is not giving any results. In Hindi also we say, चिंता तो चिता बना देती है. Why to worry? If God has brought us in this world, He has brought to give us something special. It may take some time, but my dear friends, have self-belief and believe in God. After that, I think nothing is left. You are intelligent enough to decide what to eat and what not to eat. In the morning, do good breakfast. Try to avoid oily things. Lunch you do in a super manner, eating salad in advance. After that, dinner you do like you are just want to live your life. Very small in quantity. If you have kept your health good, means God is happy with you. Kyunki in every body God is there. The place where God lives, we have to clean that. We have to clean it from outside and from inside. Inside means we have to make meditation our regular item of life, regular practice. And I tell you, my dear friends, from my experience and experience of lot of big personalities, gurus, that when you do meditation, that means you have taken yourself in big spot, top spot of the world. The person who is meditating at regular interval, at regular fixed time, he can see the enjoyment within himself or herself. So guys, let us enjoy the life. If anything is left, you just give in comment box your suggestions. I will welcome it from my whole heart. One more thing here I want to add. Age is just a number. Just feel yourself energetic. I have seen 30-year-old as the old guns, very procrastinating, very lethargic, and 80 years plus seen as youngsters. I always say that I am 24 years old, not 60 years. Because what we say every time, we become according to that. So make a habit to be energetic, to be full in flow, loving for the mankind, good health, good love for your parents and family members, passion for your work, and enjoy the life. My dear friends, if this video of mine has taken you above your emotions and feelings, then share it, like it, and subscribe my channel so that maximum persons can get the benefit. All the best till my next video. Thank you very much.